Guys, welcome back to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on what I call WhatsApp marketing part 1. Why is it part 1? I'm not going to teach you everything about WhatsApp marketing because it's a very vast topic. So, but in this part 1, I'm going to give you introduction because it starts with you to understand what WhatsApp does and how to go about, creating an account before you talk about promoting on WhatsApp. You can promote your ebook, in fact, your digital contents, something like your YouTube channel, your blog post, your YouTube videos, your blog posts, your ebook, everything, your courses. So that's all about it. What we're doing on WhatsApp marketing are digital content promotion. Yes, yes, you can still use it to promote physical products, but my target, that's why I say part 1, because we're going to still learn a lot in the course of, learning more in the coming days. So, but now let's quickly go through this. So what I'll be teaching you here today will be this. Let's quickly go to WhatsApp. I'll be teaching you, this is my WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp business page. Now, I wouldn't want to talk much about this business page. I wouldn't want to talk about it so much. No, it may not make sense for me to do that right now because I will talk about it maybe in part 2 or 3 of this WhatsApp marketing. Now, let me assume that I'm just using ordinary WhatsApp page, not the one of business page, because that one has, another advantage over the normal business WhatsApp, whatever. You understand? Now, but I'm here already. There are 3 major things or ways you can promote contents on WhatsApp, apart from making payment for ads. Yes, if you want to go on advanced level, you pay for ads. Like you can see now, already the system is asking me to create an ad. Any post I make now, the system will tell me you want to promote it, and already they are telling you you are going to spend 1,400 and something naira per day. And you see this price rise this way because of the current dollar-naira conversion. Before it was so slow. It was so lower than this, less than 1,000 naira. Now it's going higher. See what it takes people to promote now on WhatsApp, on Facebook, or anywhere else. So that's it. But I'm not going to go about that. So I'm going to show you the simplest way on a free way you can, promote your content. The first one, let me start with updates. Now, if you are going to promote contents, WhatsApp, that's do WhatsApp marketing through your status, that is your status now. You make sure that as many people are, you know that they have your number on their phone, they are your contacts. Not only that they are contacts, but they also have your number on their phone. You are also their contacts. You have them on WhatsApp. Now, it means that anytime you go to, now, what you're having now is update. This is new for YouTube. They now put where you normally have status, update. But when you click on it, you're going to have the status, you're going to have channels. Because this channel is a new thing that comes up on WhatsApp right now. So this is your status. So you can see my status. If I want to create something now, what does it mean? I'm going to click on this status. If I click on this status, either I want to share a photo, like you are seeing here, or I want to share a video. If it's something I'm promoting like a video, I click on that and choose the video from my device. If it's a photo, I choose from here. Apart from that, let me go back again. Apart from that, I can share just a write-up by clicking, look at this place, down here, where you have this, a kind of a pencil icon. I click on it. If I click on it, let me see what happens now. Just look at it. Yes, I can type something. See me typing. Maybe I'm saying something. It's a kind of promotion. I'm saying something. Remember, you can promote through photos or videos or what I'm saying now. Okay, look at it. You type something, please visit. You can attach a video link. Attach and visit this to get this information. That is promotion using your status. And you know what? When you do that, when you use your status to promote, everyone that is already your contact and have you as a contact, they will see it, but not automatic. They will not just see it. They can only see it if they check your status. Now, look at all these people. These people now, they have posted something. These are status updates. Now, because they are I have them as my contacts and they have me as their contacts, I can see. But I cannot see what they post until I click on it. For instance, if I click on this one now, I'm seeing what is posted. What if I don't click on it? So you can see the limitation of status updates. Many people hardly click people's status. Over time, every day I come here, I'm going to see a lot of this. I don't even have time. I don't even remember to talk about them. It's on few occasions. And so are many people. Use yourself. How many times do you click on people's status? It's also rare. Except someone who you know that is giving you the best. It's okay, I'll be checking this man's status. Ordinarily, you hardly do that. Now, that's number one. The second way is to create a WhatsApp group. Now, how do you create a WhatsApp group? Now, you can create a WhatsApp group either for you want to add people to it, or you want to create a private WhatsApp group that serves your interest. And while we do that, there are some things you want to be posting, on that private WhatsApp group for your personal, consumption. Maybe from there, you now adjust and post to others. It's very good to have a personalized WhatsApp group. So what do? You click on this drop down dots here. If you click on it, please, sorry, let me quickly go here. If you click on it, yes, when you're on that chat, if you click on it, you're going to see new group. You click on this new group. Once you click on this group, you cannot create a group without adding at least one person. Remember, it's called group. If it's only you, it's no longer group. Group means something from 2 and up. So the same would demand that you add at least one person. So if, for instance, I decide to create a new group, I may just add, I just decide to add, let me just choose someone that I know I can easily add. Now, apart from slash, you can search the person. Let's assume I have the person's, first this, I say, okay, ebook, this one of the person, okay, I add this person. I want to create a personalized group with her. So at this moment, I click on this. Now, I give my group name. I send it. Let's say I call it private coaching. Are you seeing it? The name can be as long as 100 characters. Now, at that moment, if I have an image I want to use to represent that group, I click here. That image may supposed to have already been on my system. I click there, it will take me to my device. I picked it up, and now it will be there. But if I feel I don't have, I can still leave it. So immediately I'm done with this, I now click on this, tick sign here, and that group is created. Now, once the group is created, every other thing about setting up your group is another training altogether. We're not going to go into that. So at this time, I created. Now, remember, after I've created a group, for the fact I added someone in that group, I can decide after I've created a group to delete the person. To eject the person. So I will be the only one. But you cannot just create a group without adding someone. So once I'm done that, I can now go off. But now, in this case, I didn't create any group. It didn't work, so I couldn't finish it. So I'm back to that. So what is the group doing? All the people, now, when you create a group now, you start adding people. Now, people can set up, their setting that you can't just add them to a group anyhow. Once you click to add them, the system will tell you can only invite this person. You click on that. The person will now see an invitation. You are inviting him. If he wants to join, he joins. But the people that have not set up that, as you're adding them, they are adding to your group. Normally some of them will start questioning you, why do you add me and all that? So you're definitely going to add people People can easily explain to, okay, I added you because I have something good to offer you and all that, and you're going to enjoy it. Well, if you don't still want it, you can go. That is the courtesy. Are you getting it? So that is group. Now, let me now tell you the advantage of group. When you create a group, you have this group, and all of them are there. You're posting things. Everyone, any group you belong to, like for me now, look at it. Look at this group. Beautiful people, I belong to it. The last time I read, there have been up to 1,700 posts that have been made. I've not read it. But I'll be seeing that the group is working. Look at Reformed Investors. 969 posts so far I've not read, and that's a group. Look at this group, daily 20K, 53 posts so far, Chacha, whatever, 82 posts. So every group you belong to, you would be seeing them and be seeing there are some unread messages. So you can click to read it, and that's a group for you. Now, you as a promoter, you know the advantage of groups now. And I can only read what is here if I click to open it. If I don't click to open it, I'm not going to read it. I will know something is happening there. But normally, when people join a group they like, they will always click. Like this group now, I always check information about my church, whatever here. So that's why I see 11 posts here. Very soon today, I'm going to check to know what is going on. So you will not see much of posts remaining there. So definitely, if people love what you're doing, they be always checking out the group they belong to. But you can see that group is also another thing that people hardly, a lot of people can register in a group, but am I not the one that registered on all this group? Why am I not checking on it? At the time you become tired of the group if they are not giving you what you want. Now that is the second way of promotion. Now the third way is what we call broadcast list. And that is one you see here, new broker. That's the best for me. Aside promoting on WhatsApp, that one is the best way to promote. You know what? Just the same process. Let's look at it. New broadcast. You still make a choice list of one person. You can now add. You can, in broadcast list, you can add up to 256 persons in one broadcast. Now, once you are done now, you click on this place and create your broadcast list. Now, how does broadcast list last? That 256 persons you have in your broadcast list, anytime you post something on that broadcast, unlike group, each of them will receive that message as a personalized message. Look at this message. Now, this is my sister sending a message to me. I'm seeing it as she. I'm going to read that message because I will say, what is Sonia talking about? Let me go and read. So when you use broadcast list, people see it. You are talking to them directly. They don't see it as a group. They'll say, nah, leave that group. I'm tired. They'll see a message coming from you. So if they know you, they say, this one, Kechi is, chatting me. Let me know what she's saying. So there's a greater percentage of people going to reach your work, your promotional, whatever, through broadcast list than group and status updates. Those who make crazy money and promotion on status are those who already they have created a very large brand that people who are, following them are already on their own, always going to search their status. Oh, I want to go and see what this guy has posted today. But if you are starting up, nobody's looking for your status. Not even your village people. In fact, they don't want to look at it. You understand? So the best bet for you is that broker list, because the people you are posting, they will definitely be seeing it because it's a private message. It's a direct message. They will click. So while you now have this broker list, if at a time you see any of them say, oh boy, I don't want to be receiving this, you still go to your broker list, make a delete and delete the person, eject the person, and free yourself. Every of these things are very, very simple. But the question of how do I eject, these are questions that come up in other series as long as WhatsApp promotion and marketing is concerned. We're not going to talk about it just right now. So, but this is exactly how to promote. And if you're a new YouTuber, you just created contents, blogging and all that, please make use of this. As long as you know that you are promoting something that makes sense. And that's when you are creating your group or your broadcast list, make sure you are adding people who will be interested. Take, for instance, as a churchman and as an tech man too, I can have different broadcast lists. As somebody who is into education too, I think I want to be promoting a particular content that has to do with education and all that. I create a group, and all the people I'll be adding in that group are teachers, people who are into education. I cannot be adding my pastor that is talking about the next crusade. He wouldn't be enjoying what I'm putting there. Then I now know that as a believer too, I want to be promoting Christian contents. What do? I've created one page for teachers. I'll still create another one for believer. Maybe I have a YouTube channel that has to do with where I preach sermon and share the Bible, whatever and all that. That one I create a group, and people I will add there are my content that I know that are believers. Because I know that thing I'll be posting they'll be interested in it. Oh, it can serve as their morning devotion. They say, I love this. You understand? So you will not add somebody to a group or to a broker list for what? You just look at your content, you're adding everybody. People are going to be crazy with you. Some of them may not talk back to you, but when they now see your post, they say he's coming, they will not read it, they will not click on it. Because they feel that you are just sharing things they're not interested. So that's the wisdom. Because your interest is to promote whatever, and you're going to promote to the right audience. That's when they're going to buy into your promotions. So this is what it takes to promote on WhatsApp, what we call WhatsApp marketing, part 1. So I'm going to stop at this point. I believe you've learned something. And if you are truly learned, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, this is the right time to subscribe to this channel. If you check our channel, you can see we have videos where Chima the Educator will educate. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.